Alright guys, I figured I'd show you what's under the hood for our next Bargain Bashers RC. So after this you'll see me do a speed run. I'll be doing it tonight, but I want to show you what we did for the upgrade. So we took out the standard, this size. This is what the stock is. It's a 2435. It's a little smaller top, so I had to put an 18 tooth pinion in there. This is the one I took out of my LC Racing. We're using a Hobby Wing 16 BL30, so it's 30 amp ESC, and with our standard Dumbo receiver. And we're going to be using our CNHL new batteries. They're on the charge right now. I don't think I have any. I got a 3S sitting here, so I'll show you what they look like. But the 2S are on the charger. So, but they're the 1500 Black Edition, so they should do us well. And we'll be doing that tonight, so hopefully we get it up before the last counter. I think he said it was the 11th or the 15th was the last due date. So again, go check out Bargain Bashers RC. If you got one of these cheapies, this is a EC30. It was the brush version, so these are the 2S version of that is what we're going to be running tonight. You'll see it when you get it out there. But like I was saying, this is by far one of my first favorite cars. This for a budget basher, this is the epitome in my opinion. It's a 1/14 scale. It uses the same design as what you see nowadays. This was made by Hiboxen for Eachine, which is the Banggood company. The TTO or the EC30 has the plastic dog bones, smaller posts, like the inverted posts. Looks like I got some dry rot on there. Hopefully these tires hold up. They are glued. The brushless version, which will be speed running alongside, so you can see what the stock, with the stock 2435 motor in it and the stock ESC, comes with metal dog bones and standard, what you see in most of the standard buggies. So that was the major difference. You do see there's some bend in there, but I've abused the crap out of all these. And my hope is to get this guy in the 50s. It'd be nice. There should be plenty of power to do that. We're using 2838 4700 kV, so this thing's a monster. It'll do us good, especially with the Hobby Wing and the CNHL battery. So when I come back, it'll be at my normal night spot, and we'll get it rolling. And again, I want to thank my sponsors, CNHL. Go check them out. They got a bunch of sales on right now. Getting me the right batteries that fit. I mean, they fit real tight in this. I might even at the end throw, I did run the EC30B with this. I didn't get a whole bunch of footage, but maybe I'll throw it at the end so you can see the difference, or maybe I'll do a compare later. But this is for the Bargain Bashers. So again, I want to thank you for running this. It's cool. I really enjoy just throwing some good equipment in these Bargain Bashers and making them better. Now these were about 50 bucks. I don't know if they even sell them anymore. Again, Banggood. But you really can't beat them for the quality versus what you get. And they really, I've taken these to so many skate parks. Every single skate park has seen this, that around here I've seen this car. Always enjoy it. And hopefully I'll get it for a run on our track, because I haven't even run this car on our track since we've pretty much changed it over. So, but hopefully you guys dig and you enjoy our speed run, and I want to thank you, Bargain Bashers. If I don't have a chance to get, this will be my last entry if I get time. We're going to be putting a brushless system in our 112 scale. I'm probably going to put a monster in it and just let it go. This is the 124010, which is the brushed version. So they're 70 bucks right now, or 65 bucks right now. They're real cheap. Get it and throw in a $20 upgrade, because I already put the Surpass Hobby in there, the metal Surpass for the steering. That's a must, is the upgrade to the servos on these. And this is the new servo saver opposed to the old. Anyways, enough about this. With any luck, we'll get this out next. But this is what's tonight, and then hopefully that'll be this weekend. So hopefully you guys like and subscribe, and hopefully you enjoy the little quick speed run. And again, check out Bargain Bashers RC. I'm glad he put this on. It's an up-and-coming channel. I believe he's got CNHL as a sponsor too, which is even better. You know, Good, great minds think alike, or however you want to call it. Anyways, I'll see you guys and enjoy the show. All right, guys, we're back at it again. We're out here in one of our speed spots. We tried to run it last night, but my memory card was full, so we're just doing a rerun. I kind of know where this is gonna head. This is for the Bargain Bashers RC Speed Run Challenge. We got our EC30 and EC30B out. EC30B is stock. The EC30, I'll take it apart once we get the run done. But it's got an upgraded 2838 in it. Make sure we got some signal. Yep, 1 mile an hour. And we're running with our 1500 mAh CNHL 100c LiPos. Now, like I said, I did run this last night. Mesh is really tight, but I expected it to be faster than it was. It's still plenty fast, especially for a track car. So that'll be the idea. Is we'll wet off the road. We'll get this on the track next. I want to thank Bargain Bashers RC for holding this little contest. I think the last day is Wednesday, so we're hoping to get another car out this week. So yeah, brakes work. This is a cool car. Anyways, so let's see what we got. This is an HBX clone for and 32.8, guys, so put us down for that. This is the EC30 brushed, upgraded with brushless. Let me open up the front. And what we're also going to do today, throw a little extra bonus speed run on there. So you can see what we got in there. We got a quick run Hobby Wing 16BL and a G-Tech or GTskytech or whatever it is, 2838 4700 with our dumb ball. So pretty simple. So we're going to reset this back to 0. So that was 32.8. 32.8. Hold it to reset. And this is the EC30B that comes brushless. It's got the stock can in it, which is and the stock ESC. And we're going to use that. Where'd that battery go? I'll be putting this freshly charged 1500 in there. It's a tight fit, guys. It's the wires on the ends that make it so tight, but it fits nice. Sometimes you either go upside down. This will be a quick one. I just want to see what the difference is between the stock brushless, you know, which is considerably more expensive, and building your own. Just bear with me a second. You can see we're at max. Hit play. You get anything? Gets good satellites out here, so we're at 1. Another piece of tape on there. And this is stock everything, even the controller stock. The only thing that's not is the battery. Alright, hopefully there's an improvement. A little slower, but you can see the upgrade. Make the decision for yourself. And we'll get these guys out for a head-to-head real soon. I missed running them, but this is the original little mini Bargain Basher, in my opinion. So yeah, 22.9, so that's a 10-mile-an-hour increase, so that's not bad. I'm digging. So like and subscribe, guys, and check out Bargain Bashers and join in the fun. We got a little time left. I'll see you when I see you. Peace.